Good day everyone! So our today's vlog is unboxing. So guys, kakarating lang niya and i-unbox natin siya. So ayan, but before we start, I wanna say thank you to Mr. Jun Rocaborde to sending this V8 live sound card. Ayan guys. Ayan. Thank you for your kindness po and we really appreciate it. Ipagpatuloy nyo lang po and more blessings to come, especially to your family and to your career. Ayan po. Thank you so much for sending this. So, ayan guys. Let's open it.
Wala pong lecture.
So, ayan siya guys. V8 Live Broadcast Equipment. So, ayan siya guys. So, i-open na natin. So, ayan. Ayan siya guys. Ayan. Set siya. So, ito yung ano niya. Ayan. Ito yung instruction. So, ayun yung mga equipment niya. Hindi ko siya, alam kung paano i-set up. So, i-introduce ko muna yung mga parts niya. So, ayan. First, ito yung guys, blowout prevention net. Ayan. Para siya sa mic. Para siya sa microphone. Open natin. Ayan. Blowout prevention net. Ayan. So, next is, ito yung blowout prevention sponge sleeve. Ayan. Sleeve siya sa microphone, yung nilalagay. Ayan. So, the third one is this microphone. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ito siya, guys. So, next is shockproof frame. Ayan siya. So, let's open, guys. Ayan, ganyan yung itsura niya. Ayan siya. Tada! So, next is recording style line. Ayan, dalawa sila. So, next is USB charging cable. Ayan. Which is, you can use it to your cell phone or laptop, I guess. Ayan siya, guys. Next is Canon line. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan, yung nilalagay sa microphone. Ayan. So, next is, this is the cantilever support. Ayan siya. Ayan. Yung niya, parang stand niya, ganun. So, next is, this is the mounting base. Ayan. So, open ko lang siya, guys. This is what look like. Ayan. Last one is the V8 Live Sound Card. Ito na siya, guys. Para siyang mini DJ box, ganon. So, dito nyo na makikita lahat. Dito nyo i-adjust, ganon. Or kung anong gusto nyong sounds nyo, ganon. Ayan. Dito nyo makikita yung mic, yung mga echo. Ayan, yung mga electro pitch bend, elimination, shockwave, MC. Marami pang iba, guys. Ayan, o. And dito naman, dito nyo ilalagay yung mga USB charging cable, recording style line, mga ganon, yung mga Canon line dito. So, makikita mo dito yung Live 1, Live 2, accompany instrument, charging, dito nyo siya i-charge, earphone speaker, headset, condenser mic, The last part is dynamic mic. Ayan. Ang ganda niya, guys. Ayan. So, ayan lahat, guys. Ayan lahat siya, guys. Ayan. So, ayan. So, that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. So, again, thank you, Mr. Jun Rocaborte, to sending this V8 Sound Life card. Bye, guys.